What's up, guys? It's really early in the morning. It's like 4:45, 4:47 a.m. here on Friday of PAX, the first day of PAX, and I'm in the airport, the beautiful, lovely Austin airport, and I'm going to Boston. All right, let's have fun. All right, we made it to Boston. Quick, Monty, give me 3 words that describes what's going on right now.
We're at level 1 north.
That's not 3 words. Give me 3 words.
Level 1 north. They're right there. Say 3 words.
That's Monty.
So we just won a medal for winning science. This is Kind telling me here created an immersion medal.
What's your name?
My name's Rick.
Thanks, Rick.
No problem. Great, fit, and serious.
Oh, you want to get a picture with it?
Oh, please.